What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be sharing another red hot KDP niche. So welcome back to StackinProfit. My name's Paddy and over here we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. Now this video is actually part of a playlist that I've been putting together called Red Hot KDP Niches, and if you want to check that out I'll link it right there in the right hand corner. So without further ado, let's actually go ahead and go straight over to Amazon and share this niche. So this niche is the inspirational colouring book niche, but inspirational colouring books for girls ages 8 to 12. Now if we look at the data which SPT gives us, if you don't have SPT, Self-Publishing Titan's Chrome extension, and you want to know what it's all about, I'll also link a video right there so you can go through and watch it. But as we can see with this, the Chrome extension is giving us a score of 59% on all. Now if we look here, we can see that they actually recommend finding a score with 63 and above. It's not going to load, it's not going to show, but there we go. We can see any score with 63 and above, you're going to find it a lot easier to rank. Now, me personally, I have a little set of rules that I tend to stick to when doing my niche research. Anything over 40% will look good if the other stats look good as well. So what do I mean? So this is 59%. There's only 2,000 results. In fact, 2,195 with the average BSR of 43,000. So this could be a really great niche to create books in. Now if we look on the front page, we can see these BSRs are really good. 4,000, 22,000, 6,000, almost 2,000 as well. So this is a really great niche. Now under all, it looks good. So let's take a look under books. So I like to do a little bit of both. I like to look under all and both just to see what the results are, because they can vary quite a lot. But as we can see, there's 2,000 results under books, a score of 53%, and just under or just over those 2,000 results with a BSR, average BSR of 58,000. Now if we actually scroll down, we can see that some of these books look really good. So if you were to create one of these, you'd have to make it visually appealing, because otherwise it won't sell if your cover does not look good. So this is the niche. That's inspirational colouring books for girls ages 8 to 12. So how do you actually create this book? Because if we go over to Creative Fabrica, let's just give that a second to load up. On here, you're not going to find inspirational stuff or inspirational clip art. You're going to have to think outside of the box. So for this, inspirational colouring books for girls ages 8 to 12, one thing you could do is find patterns. So find patterns like these which people can colour in, and then have quotes, inspirational quotes for girls on each page as well. So under colouring pattern, when you type that here on Creative Fabrica, you're going to see so many great results, and they're all pretty much coming from this seller. So I do suggest going through following this designer, because if we look at these, some of these are actually really great, and you could make some really great colouring books. Now like I said, I reckon having quotes on these pages would work really well. I would design that myself, but a great way just to get those quotes is still here on Creative Fabrica. So I've typed in inspirational quotes, and as we can see, so many of them have popped up. So now we can actually get ideas. So if we open that, go here, just give that a second. So if we look here, we can see some of these inspirational quotes, and we can use these for designers, or use this for inspiration to make designs on these patterned pages. And doing that would actually be really easy. And you could do it all within Canva, my go-to tool. Now, if you want to see an example of this, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make a video showing you how I would actually make this interior. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and drop a comment down below. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.